tutorial for you guys, and this one is the gold glam makeup look for fall, winters, or any time of the year, but I will call it a gold glam look for fall particularly because this is on November. I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, so keep watching if you want to know what products I used and how actually I created this look.
Okay, so I have already applied my foundation and I have used Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation in shade Fair, which is my HG foundation. Next, I'm applying masking tape to both corners of my eyes, and I suggest using masking tape for anyone who is beginner and is not an eyeshadow pro like me. Using masking tape gives you better control of application of color, especially on the outer corner. For this look, I'm using Morphe E38, which is a beautiful palette, and I love all the colors in this palette. And I'm taking this light brown sort of color and I'll be applying it in my crease and on the outer corner of my eyes just to create a bit of depth. To apply this color, I'm using Sigma Beauty E38 diffused crease brush, which is great for using in crease or for outer corner of eyes. Now I'll be taking a darker brown shade from the same palette and I'll be applying it in my crease and outer corner of my eyes to create more depth. I'll be using the same brush, Sigma E38, for this step too. Next, I'll be taking this gorgeous gold shade from the same palette and I'll be applying it on the lids using Sigma Beauty E57. I'll be gently patting it on my lids so that I can get maximum color payoff without any fallout. Using the same Sigma Beauty E57, I'll be applying the same gold shade just below the lower lash line to give a hint of gold on the lower part of my eyes too. For my brows, I'm using Sigma Beauty Brow Powder in dark, which is the perfect shade for me, and I absolutely love this product for daily use as well as for occasions. It's time to highlight my brow bones, so I'm using this light shimmery shade from Morphe E38 and I'm applying it using Sigma Beauty E55 on my brow bone gently. For this look, I'm not going to use black liner, instead I'm using a dark brown liner, and this one is by Color Studio. It's their Kohl Addict pencil in dark brown shade, which I absolutely love. I'm just tightly lining my eyes as close to lash line as possible just to give my lashes a fuller look. Finally, time to remove the masking tapes, and they're gone. Now after removing the masking tape, I'm just fixing my eyeliner a bit, dragging it towards the outer corner and giving it the proper shape. Usually I complete my eye look just here, but for this video purpose, I'm using this NYX gloss, which is a beautiful gold glittery gloss, and I'm going to use it on my eyes because it's so beautiful and I just wanted to give it a try and wanted to see how would it look on the eyes. And as you can see, it's looking super gorgeous, so pretty. It is giving such a pretty vibrant look to my eyes. For this tip, you can use any of your favorite gold glitter liners or gold loose shimmer. But since I wanted to give my eyes a bit of glossy look, I'm using this lip gloss, which is looking pretty stunning and vibrant. Taking the same dark brown shadow from the palette again, I'm going to apply it on the lower outer corner of my eyes, just to give them some depth and to complete this look. I like to apply my mascara before applying false lashes because I feel it lifts the lashes up and makes lash application much easier. So that is why I'm applying my mascara right now, and then I'll apply my falsies. Okay, so I've added false lashes to my look off the camera, and now I'm going to apply this Makeup Revolution concealer in C6 to conceal my dark circles as well as to clean up any mess or fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm blending the concealer with my favorite Sigma Beauty E38 Precision brush, which is absolutely amazing and I love it. For contouring, I'm going to take the darkest shade from Artdeco Most Wanted contouring palette, and I'm applying and blending it with this Arty contour brush. Now I'm using Masarrat Misbah Stay On blusher in shade Satin Apricot. It's a gorgeous peachy coral shade which I absolutely love. For highlighting, I'm going to use one of my favorite highlighting palettes by Makeup Revolution, and this one is called the Ultra Pro Glow palette. So I'm going to take this third shade from the first row and use it as highlighter. Now you can pair this gold eye look with a red lip, but I wanted to keep my lips subtle, that is why I'm using this beautiful shade by Note Cosmetics. This one is from their Mattemoist Lipgloss collection, and the shade is 402 Matte Kiss. I absolutely love this shade. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful, and this lip color is so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love it. Since it's a glam look, I'm not using any matte fixing spray, rather I'm using Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Spray to set my makeup and this look. Now at the end, I'm going to apply the same gold shade that we applied on our lid in the inner corner of the eyes, just to give my eyes a more open and brighter look. And that is all. This is really simple yet glamorous gold eye look with a subtle lip, and I hope you like the look. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and tutorials. This was my first YouTube video ever, so your comments will be highly appreciated, and I hope to bring more and more videos for you very soon. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Take care.